So we have seen draw tools. Now we will see the modify tools. Okay, so move, copy, stretch, all these things. Okay.
We already did move and copy and stretch.
Okay, I will tell you again also, no issue. So something we have, like if you have, so you can switch on the ortho mode and then like this. Okay, if you want to move this flag from here to here, how you can do M enter. So shortcut we not discussed, now that's why M enter. Then you can able to click the first point and then the second point. So like this we can move it.
Hmm.
Okay. Then like if you want to copy it, CO enter. Select the objects, CO enter, select the base point, and you can able to copy in the midpoint and also the endpoints. Okay. Escape to get escape. So move and copy, okay, na M enter, CO enter. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Then like we have for example, so we can switch on the ortho mode. If I want to mirror this, so you can select the blue color selection, then MI enter, mirror, MI enter, then you can put in the midpoint and you can put like this. So you need to put enter directly so that like the copy of that mirrored. Otherwise it will delete also. So move, copy, mirror, we are okay with, right? Now how you want to
Hmm.
rotate all these things? So select everything, RO, but I want to rotate with the copy. So I can just put the base point. But like if you're putting copy, then you can also see the so copy of it. Okay, we rotated with the copy. That's why like we also have a rotated one with copy. Okay, RO enter command. So I can go for rectangle. Okay, so if you want to rotate RO enter, then you can go for base point. Then the angle I can put 45-degree. See, now we are not putting copy now, it's directly rotated. Okay, control is that. Now if I am going for a rotate, then copy with the 45-degree or 60-degree or 90-degree. See, you
Hmm.
can see it was just rotated with the copy one. Okay, okay then. Then how you can stretch it? So STR, so you can put STR enter, then it is asking select object. Stretch means like you need to select like this. So I'm just selecting only the partial thing, then I can stretch it. Okay, STR, then I'm just um, select the only this way, and then you can able to go inside or outside. Stretch whatever the way you want.
Hmm.
Okay, that is stretch option. Okay. Then if you want to scale it, the scale also we have seen SC enter, SC enter, then the base point I'm putting here, but the scale factor I'm reducing to half scale, 0.5. See, it is reduced. Again, SC enter and select the objects, enter, put it, and then three times bigger. So now we did three times bigger and also reduced to half size, like that scale option.
Hmm.
Okay, then we can also go for chamfer option, chamfer, CHA, enter. Then we need to go for distance. Then we can put, so we don't know the distance now. So how much this distance? Okay, so I just taken that. So second also the same. So it is one by one, like you can do the chamfer thing. But even in that like polyline, and you can select the polyline. So the whole polyline also will convert to chamfer. That one we also have
Hmm.
in rectangle. We can also do that separately with the chamfer option. Okay, in the chamfer option, we can also go for different things. See, chamfer, I can go for angle method. See, it is asking length of the first line, chamfer length of the first line. I will put 5 and angle from so 45-degree. Okay, so now you can see this way, like you can also have chamfer with the distance and also angle. If it is like 5, but angle I am putting 80°, then you can see how it was. Distance from here and then maybe 80 is not possible. Angle I can put 20. See, now you can see it's an angle of 20° and also 5 the thing. Okay. So that is angle method. Okay. So we can also go for fillet. F enter command. F enter and you need to put the radius of 4. Then you can select the vertical and horizontal. You can see the filleted things. Okay. Even here also you have a corner. Now that also you can fillet. Whenever you have sharp corner, there also you can able to fillet. Okay. So one by one we are doing now. We can also either select polyline so that the whole things wherever you have the sharp corner, it will be filleted. If I'm going for a radius and also polyline and I'm selecting this, see all corners getting filleted with the 4.
Yeah.
Okay, this is what fillet, chamfer and all. Okay, if you have curves, so blend curves option, there is something. Okay, so we have separate the curves. Okay, so here what we have is a blend curve. Okay,
Yeah.
so we can able to just blend the separate curves if you have, like even if it is like apart. Okay, so I can move it. These are all the grips now. So you can use the grips to move it. Okay, so blend curve and I'm just selecting the curves. See, it is just blending automatically. Okay, in spline, these are all the splines. Okay, SPL command. So here we have a fit method. But here, whatever it is blended, it is automatically taken a CV method, C control vertices method. Okay, that you can also put the SPL enter and you can able to switch off the ortho mode and you can just draw freehand the splines. Okay, these are all the splines. Okay, so if you want some freehand sketches or something like that, you can use spline. Okay,
Okay.
even you can able to put your image here and you can able to draw on top of the image using spline. You will get a very nice thing. Okay, and you have some methods over there. Okay, I can just tell you the splines because you said like you are going to attend the AutoCAD certification, right? So,
hmm
so these are all the things you should remember also.
Yes, I'm writing everything down. Don't worry.
Hmm. That's why I was telling everything also. See, for example, I can go for SPL enter. See, when you go for SPL enter, you can go for method. Method one is fit and CV method. That is okay, but knots. In knots, like we have chord method. Chord knot. Okay, so chord, and I'm just clicking, passing through this point. Okay, then I
hmm
can also go for knots, a square root. So the second one. So I'm using the same points, but you can see the differences. See, you can see the difference. Again, same SPL, knots, but the third method, uniform. So this kind of things, it will vary based on the selection. See, all three having different curves. So you can choose whatever the way you want. Okay, so in
Yeah.
that SPL, we have knots. Okay. What are all the knots? Chord, square root, uniform. Okay. Even we can convert some object to spline. Okay, we have this now. So you can SPL, so object, and I'm just going to select this object, but it is not converted because unable to convert the selected object. But what if you are just drawing some polyline? So definitely it will convert. Okay, so I just go for SPL, then I can go for object. So then I'm selecting this object. Okay, it's unable to convert. Okay, no issue. But like in the polyline edit, we can able to do PE enter. PE enter, then you can select the polyline. Then we can able to use any of this method. You can able to close. So it is getting closed. Okay, then we can able to put spline. See, it is getting spline and decurve in the sense it will go back to decurve. Okay, fit in the sense it will come like this. Spline is different, fit is different. Okay, all these things you can able to do from the polyline edit. When you put enter, it is accepting. Okay. Now we converted
This is
polyline into spline.
pedit command.
Pedit command or PE enter also it will come. PE command also. PE also working,
Can,
pedit also coming.
can you show me the options again?
So PE enter, then select it. So we can able to change the width also. Width for offset all
Mm.
segment 0.5. See, it is just changing the width. Then if you want a decurve, you can able to decurve it. Okay. And spline in the sense it is just getting spline. Fit in the sense it is just going like this. If you want to decurve and edit vertex, go for edit vertex and you can able to go for next. If you want to insert, and then I am just going switch on the ortho mode. See, it is getting inserted. Okay, so you can also go for a okay, next point it's going. If you want to break there, you can break it and so go. So we just breaked it. I just clicking those and
Mhm.
go option. Like this, we have something here also. Okay, all these things in the edit command. Okay, polyline edit command. Okay.
Yeah.
So once you put enter and escape, you will get out of the command. Okay. See, now it is like a two separate thing. Even PE enter command, like you can able to select then you can able to join command. So you are just joining it. Okay, so now it became a single thing. We joined it. Before it was separate, na. So like this, like we can able to do. So if you want to close, then it will get closed. So all this okay, right? In polyline edit.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, even the same you can go for SPE and spline edit. Spline edit, then the same options it will come here. Convert to polyline if you want. Number of precision. See, it is just converted to polyline. See, it is now polyline, not spline anymore.
Yeah.
So I can also go for SPE enter, but you need to select the spline. Now it is not spline anymore. I can put control Z. Okay, now you can go for SPE. Then all these things fit data. So even here we have a kink options and all. Kink option. So here, so wherever you want more points. Okay, then you can put enter. Then if you want to move something, so that particular point it's getting moved also. See, that's how you can use the options in the spline edit also. Escape. So when you click now, like you will be having, yeah, actually you need to accept it, but we didn't accept it. SPE. Then we can go for edit vertex, elevate order and all. We have SPE. Edit vertex. Okay. Kink option. Where it went? You can add something here if you want. See, the same way before it was coming with kink, na. Now it was coming with the fit method. Fit data. Then see. Then we can see the kink. So that is like two different method we do have, right? See now, like you can see, like what are all the modifications we did, like it is accepted. Before we just escaped, but you need to put enter to accept the things. So now you understand spline, polyline, and also spline edit, polyline edit commands, and also modification tools. Okay, and we can also see the blend here. So blend curves. Okay, okay. What else like we missed here? Like trim extend I will tell you, array I will tell you, explode, this is explode, and offset I will tell you. So offset in the sense like o enter command, o enter, and distance I can put 2, so I can just select and you can put it inside. This is what offset, we can just put the value accordingly. Again o enter, I can put 5 enter, then I'm just selecting the object. So this is the offset in between distance 5. So for plan and all, like you need to use offset command to draw the walls and all. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
you can also put a 3.5, whatever you want. See it, yeah, it is just getting offsetted. Okay, o enter command. Okay,
So it will make the same object inside from a
it's
distance
offsetting.
that
Yeah,
you give
offset.
it.
If you are putting outside, it will come outside. If you're putting inside, it will come inside. But in between 3.5 or 5 or whatever the distance you are giving. But here it is coming like this because there is no possibility of fillet curve
Oh.
anymore. That's why it was offsetted like that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, then like we can able to go for array. So array, see for example, you have so some char kind of thing. So you want to array it AR for array. Then you can go for rectangular array. It is by default coming like this. Then in between, like you can change the rows and columns.
Yeah, we did. I don't know if you remember, we did array with the one circle
Yeah,
example.
yeah, yeah. Then we can just close it. Okay, so another thing, but I will tell you. So circle.
Mm.
Okay, so if you want to array this AR enter, so you need to go for polar array. Then you need to click the center point. Then you can put the number of things. Okay, this is the polar array, rectangular array, and spline. We can also go for path array. So then AR enter the path. Then you need to select the path. So it is just tilting like this. Now what we can do? It is not looking good. So you can select this and you can go for removing the align items. So it is just aligning, and you can see number of items you can't able to put. Only the between you can change. But here you can change the measure to divide. When you put divide, then number of items you can put. If you want 10, you can put 10. That is like here you
Mm.
can use a divide or measure option.
Mm-hmm.
And apart from that, like edit source replace item and all, I will tell you. See, if you want to have a circle in this rectangle. Okay, so you select the array. Then there is something called edit source. Edit source in the sense like you can select something, then you can edit the something. So that alone you can edit, but everywhere it will be, for example, offset of one enter. Okay, now we see, you can see everywhere it is getting coming because of the edit source option. But another thing, like when you click here, then replace item. I want to replace something. See, it is asking replacement object, this object. But replacement object enter, then base point it is asking. So base point, I will click this one. So now you can click here. So like this, like we can able to have something different array with the two different things, but it is an array. That is like we have
That that
edit
was from
source,
the array. Okay.
and replace item option. Reset array in the sense it will go back to the previous thing. Control is that. Okay, now you got the point now.
Yeah.
Okay, that it is applicable in all kinds of array. Okay. Now, in a simple manner, like I told you, like when you click that ribbon, it will be getting updated with the array tools. So these things, it's not there before 2007. It was different. Now it was easier.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that I told you now in AutoCAD Classic. Okay then. And based on this, like you can see, so no need to worry. Like you can see from the preview itself here that it is showing the previews. What is what levels in the sense for 3D AutoCAD 3D, it will also go in the Z axis, X and Y and Z.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now all the modification tools also we seen. Okay. Explode command. This is the explode command. Join command,
Yeah.
like you might be seeing here somewhere. This is the join command. See, this is join command.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So are you okay with all this draw tools and modification tools?
Yes, I have them all written down as well.
Just a minute. Yeah, tell me.
I have them all written down also.
Okay then. This is lengthen. That one we can able to lengthen the lines na. So that one. So that is normally with the line itself it is coming na. L enter and you are just switch on the ortho mode. Now I am putting 10. Okay, so when you click this, you are getting grips. These are all the grips. We can just go here and place here and stretch or lengthen, both same. Lengthen to 20. Now the total thing is 30. It's lengthen 20 plus 10. That's what here also we have lengthen separately. That we can use the
Mm-hmm.
grip editing. Okay, you just place the cursor and you can see if it is line, you will get the grip editing option for stretch and lengthen.
They're the same, stretch and lengthen?
Because for the line it is same only, right? See, I
Yeah.
can go
Yeah,
for
yeah.
stretch and I'm going to stretch for another 20. So totally it will be
Mm-hmm.
50.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, but here, like when you click, the grip editing was different. See, here you can see stretch vertex, add vertex, remove vertex, because it is according to that, like it will come. You can also convert this to arc. That is
Mm-hmm.
only applicable in the polyline. We can convert something to the arc or convert to the line and all. Okay. So this is like edit polyline. I told you, na, and it is edit spline. So spline edit. Okay. And this is like align command. Okay. We have align command. Okay. We have align command for AutoCAD 3D, but here also we can able to align. Okay. So if I'm going for align command, okay, AL command, align, select objects. Okay. First to source point, first destiny point, second source point, second destiny point. It is also asking for the third source point and all. See, actually totally aligned. Okay, what we can do means like AL select only one object, enter first to source point, and then second source point. Okay, and then second destination point. Then third source point not needed. You put, yeah. So now you can see it's aligned. But we can continue for AutoCAD 3D also with the third point. But now only we need to go with first and second points. I just aligned it. Can you see that?
Yeah.
That is align command. Okay. And we also can go for break at point, break. Okay. So BR enter command, BR enter. So BR enter, and then I'm just clicking like this, we break it. And if you want to join these two lines, what we can do? Just a J enter command. That is break and break at point. Okay, break at point, BR enter for a break, but the break at point, we can just select here, join command here now. So break at point. So if I'm just selecting that way, that one it's got break. Can you see it was like two different things now. Now you can also select both and you can select the join command. Okay, so it's joined. But it is like having more grips because we braked and we joined it. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is to reverse, okay, the direction. Okay, the copy nested objects and all. Okay, do overkill and all. So overkill option also we have. And then, okay, if for example, see, I was just drawing a line here. Okay, but we don't know. We thinking only one line, but there is another line also there. That's what overkill
Mm.
it will do. So select the overkill, okay, and select the object. Then you put enter. See, then you can able to delete duplicated objects. Okay, you can also select whatever you want and tolerances. Click OK, and now you can see the duplicated things. It's deleted. The small line it's deleted automatically.
Yeah.
Okay, so that one you can use the overkill option, overkill command. Okay, the nested object in the sense like you can't copy this alone. For example, I want to copy this element. So then what we can do, that is called nested copy. So go for a Ncopy command. So copy nested object, right? So Ncopy and select, see, I'm just selecting this thing. So it is like selecting separately the thing. And I'm just going to copy it and I'm just putting here. So this nested copy. But otherwise copy command, we can't able to copy. See, it is just going to select the whole thing. That is the
Mm.
copy command and the Ncopy command, nested copy. Even if it is with something else also, it will try to copy the things. Nested copy. Okay. So this is like different. Okay. Bring to front and all, like it will try to bring the front and all. It will go back like that. Okay. Okay. So that we can try like this. L enter. Okay. So what if I'm just trying to change the color? You can change the color of this. Okay, actually it was visible, right? Okay,
Mm.
so and I can select this and I can go for a so bring to front. See, now you can see it is just coming on top of the line. You can see the difference. Before it was not like this. The line also visible.
Yeah.
Okay, so if I'm just
This
putting
is this is from where?
so from here send to back. So now it was like that before, but now I just putting it to bring to front.
Mm-hmm.
So we also have more options that you can try it. See, bring text to front like that. So if you have text and all. Okay. So all this modification tools you are okay with, right?
Yes.
Okay. What is here? This is the array, edit array. Okay, that one we are getting now. Okay. Like this, like we also have the drop downs here. This is like spline fit, spline CV method, and this is the ray command and X line construction line command. So these things we will see later. This is multiple points. Okay, that is also like useful. Multiple points. And we have divide option and measure option. Okay, so if you want to divide something line, so I want to divide this div enter. So div and select the object, number of segments 10 segments. So we divided and then we can go for p type. So p type, then we can able to select the pointer style so that you can see how it is divided. This is what like divide
Mm.
command and p type command to show the things. Even in the p type, you can able to go for the small one, but the pointer size you can reduce. See, it was reduced because now I was putting two now. That is like divide and point type command. Okay.
They have they come after each other always?
Yeah, after divide, you can't able to see anything. So to make it visible, you need to go for P type. Because
Mm.
in P type, we have the empty one. When you go for empty one, like it is not visible, like see, nothing is visible. It is like single line. Then how you can, but we divided that. So we divided in the sense like we can use any of it. See, you got the point. Now, then you can make use
Yeah,
of this line to draw something. Then you can make P type again to, so the
yeah, I get it.
empty one. Okay. That is what like here we have the divide option, measure option. Okay. So it is like select object to measure, specify length of segment like 20. So then we can go for a p type. Then we can see how it came. So actually see here it came twice, I guess, because like I was just putting the measure option, L enter. So now I'm just going this way. We don't know the thing. So measure option, go for measure. So select it, measure, object to measure, select it. Why it was not coming? Measure. It is just asking. So now I can put 5. You can see it is like equally coming after 5. But the divide is like dividing, but here it is measuring 5, but the final one is not 5. You understood, na? 5, 5, 5, 5, 5.
Yeah,
But the
yeah,
final one might not be 5. That is called the measure option, divide option. Then if you want 5, then you can put 5 by yourself, stretching it. So measure command, divide command we have. Okay. And these are all the region and all, wipeout and all we can see later. So that is for the 3D thing. So now you are okay with all the draw tools, modify tools, even in-depth tools also. I have shared.
yes.